You arrive without knowing what to expect, only that something about this place feels composed, intentional. Two towers rise before you, facing one another, like a conversation in the sky. Hotel and residences woven together, distinct yet connected. One offering the energy of gathering, the other the intimacy of coming home. Between the towers, life flows through moments shared and moments kept private. The philosophy of balance gives meaning to movement, enriching your routines, your rest, your rhythm. And as you paint through the canvas of life, you realize this is not just where you are staying, it is where you begin to belong. Radisson Blu, RAK Central, a signature BNW development. Feel the difference.